Hey guys, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all my latest notifications.
To my channel, this is your Abhilash back, and today I'm gonna make the unboxing of this Gala, the spinning mop rod. So I have bought this from Amazon, and I got this for around 250 rupees something. Let me gonna show you this, and it's time to unboxing. And first of all, I'd like to thank you everyone, wherein because of you I have reached 14,000 subscribers. And thank you so much for your continuous support, guys. And please do help me in uploading more and more videos. If you're watching for the first time, please do click on subscribe button and click on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications. So let's come into this unboxing. Let me just remove this. This is a covering pack which made by the seller. Let's see how it is. I'm eagerly waiting for the quality of this, because the earlier one which I had, due to the pen wherein I could not use it, so I have to see whether this has the same issue with it or it's perfectly fine or not. Let's check. And here comes the mop. So I don't have a scissor or a blade to open this. Okay, so there is no invoice or nothing. Yeah, I have it. So here comes the invoice. So every time when everyone asks me to publish the price of a product, but wherein I'm not published, so I'm gonna tell you which costed me 243 rupees. This is the price. Yeah, 220. Yeah, 27 rupees is the price. You can see over here. So I'm gonna share the link where you can buy it online. So let's keep this apart. And here comes the mop rod, and this is the upper holder. The quality seems very good comparing to the one which I have. And this is the lock. So you can see it says lock top mop. So I'm gonna just show you. This is the spring which works. So this is how it should work. When you press it, it has to go freely and come out. So it will spin. Here will be mop fixed, and this will be connected over here. So whenever you're like spinning the mop, you have to just press this and spin it. And when you're like using a mop, you have to just lock and clean it. So this part will be connected to the mop, and this was the quick unboxing of this particular rod. The quality wise, which I got original one, like I feel this is the original one comparing to the mop which I have, because the weight and the quality looks good. So hope this video was useful to you guys. So if you like this video and if you feel that video was useful to you, please give me a thumbs up. And please, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click on bell icon and follow me, so I can like it is kind of a support from you, so that it will help me in uploading more and more videos, guys. So thank you so much for watching this.